tested positive for meth/MDMA.
What? No, bro. That's my daughter. What are y'all doing, bro? That's my daughter, bro. That's her, bro. Okay. No, bro.
I'm at 16-4 with 10:37 as well. Reference shots fired.
You told me to, bro.
Can you get off the phone for a second, man?
Hold on, bro. I'm talking to the police now, bro.
Go ahead.
My bad. Yeah, bro.
Somebody shooting at you?
Yeah.
And just before we stopped this truck, there was a black Chrysler 300 and a white van that were flying down the road.
Yeah, they
Just hang out in the car for a second.
I don't know if they hit my car now, bro.
Just hang out in the car.
2106 South 15th, 2001 Chevrolet.
You got your ID on you, man?
Yeah.
Who was shooting at you, bro?
I don't know who the fuck it was, bro. Bro, I wasn't shooting, bro.
You're just being detained right now, right, man?
So we sorted out. You got anything in your car?
No,
No problem with search?
Yeah, go ahead.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. You're Dartavius Barnes.
Yes, sir.
So he's not under arrest at this point right now. He's just being detained. So
What is he being detained for?
well, we heard some gunshots in the area. Then somebody called in and said that he was the one that shot him.
Okay.
Somebody said something about a white van being also on scene, which I don't know. Were you with him when this occurred or what?
I just dropped my daughter off from Walmart.
This was in the center console. And so I look at it.
Head over to back where we were. Yeah. Instead, go walk southbound to the cut there and see if as he came. They got pissed off when he flew down the memorial.
At first I thought it was heroin.
When he cleaned up
And so then I checked for cocaine, but it looks like it's probably my ex pill.
Or Molly, yeah.
So
passenger stop.
I'll write you this up. It's up to you because it's your stop.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna talk to you in here in a second, man. Cause you got some weed, man. There was something else in the car too.
What?
A little bit of like X crushed up.
Ass crushed out. What?
Center console.
You sure it's ass, bro?
It's like Molly or ecstasy crushed up.
No, y'all did some tests on it, bro?
Yeah, it tested positive for meth/MDMA.
What?
Yeah.
You sure, bro?
I'll show it to you.
Yeah.
No, you got too much weed anyways, and it's gotta be like in different packaging. It's gotta be like child resistant, odor proof.
No, bro. That's my daughter. What are y'all doing, bro? That's my daughter, bro. Give me that, bro. That's my daughter, bro. That's my daughter. What are y'all doing? No. Ask my daddy, bro. That's my daughter in there.
I will. Hang up.
What are y'all doing? Don't you know, bro? Y'all can't. What? Whoa, bro. That's my. She just passed 2 years. She just passed last year. You know my. You know me, bro. That's her, bro. No, bro.
Let me talk to the
Bro,
officer.
please give me my daughter, bro. Put her in my hand, bro. Y'all are disrespectful, bro.
You need to move your arm.
Okay, bro. Can I please have my daughter?
Apparently, this is his daughter's ashes that Reedman got tested positive for meth.
You got a test kit?
Hey, I mean, he showed it to me. It looked blue, but
that guy knew what it was immediately.
The guy immediately got out and said that's the ashes of his granddaughter who just died.
yeah, I'm probably not going to test it again. I'm just going to give it back to him. Yeah.
Bro, can I please have my bullet, bro?
Hey, ask him if he wants it or if he wants his dad to have it.
Tell my dad to calm down, bro.
I'm going to give it to your dad, all right?
Yeah, tell him to calm
cool?
down, bro.
Is that
Yeah,
cool?
bro. Thank you, bro.
He said it, but he said it's kind of a weird type.
It didn't, like, it wasn't bright blue.
It was like purple.
We're just going to pick her.
Hey, we're going to go ahead and give this to you.
And I appreciate that. Thank you.
So, whenever we see, like, a container like that...
And I understand that, but come on, man. Come on. Common sense.
You don't have to open it up.
I'm not, but common sense, though, man. Come on.
I'm just telling you.
How can it be a bullet with this on the end of it? I mean...
No, I'm not saying it was a bullet.
But
I'm saying the substance, it looked similar to Molly. All right, hop out for a minute. Here's the deal. I'm not going to take you in for that weed, okay? Even though I could, because it's way more than the amount you have.
No, I was just heading home before my car got shot at. I was just bought this for me and my wife, bro.
But you can only have up to 30 grams, and it's got to be in different packages, and it can't be
I
immediately accessible.
was finna put it in a jar.
Well, there is
But
some in
then
a jar,
y'all-
but it can't. Even the jar, we're gonna be able to smell it through the jar. It's got to be odor proof and child resistant. You know what I'm saying? So we do have a.
It's got to be like a prescription bottle or something, man.
Or like
a seal on it.
Something with a
They'll give
seal
you
on
a seal on it when you buy it at the place.
Like if you buy it from the dispensary, they'll have it like in a package price.
But y'all took my whole car up searching it, bro.
I don't know, man. Nothing's damaged or anything. It's pretty
Nothing
smooth
damaged?
ride.
What you mean nothing damaged? Look at that. Y'all took my carpet out of there. Y'all took that over there. Y'all took my carpet out of there.
Everything should be able to be put back where it was.
But can y'all put it back, bro? Y'all did it.
Well, here's the deal, man. I was just gonna explain to you. I'm not even writing you a ticket for suspended, and I'm not towing the car.
All right, we cool.
So where were you at when you got shot at? Because I gotta write a report on this. You know.
I was coming down Laurel Street. Like, I was heading this way down Laurel Street. Nah, and I was just driving. Like I said, I had just grabbed that. I was just on my way to the crib. And then I heard that shit. Boom, car got hit.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a report number, and we still got that dude coming to take pictures of that. All right.